Right now in the United States, schools have been back in session for about 3 or 4 weeks now. And I think that it goes without saying that in this day and age, the job of being an educator is as hard, if not harder, than it has ever been. And whether it's public school or private school or homeschool, it's very easy to sit back and identify problems. What's more difficult is being a part of the solution to those problems. Well, at the Gettysburg Museum of History and at the History Underground on YouTube, our number one focus has been and always will be education. And we want to partner up with you to help educators be part of the solution in our education system. Of all of the items that are available on the web store at the Gettysburg Museum of History, this one here might be my favorite because this is a tool that can be put into the hands of teachers to get their students excited about history and excited about the Civil War in a way that is tangible and meaningful to them. What we are looking at is an authentic Civil War bullet teaching set, and this is such a brilliant idea that the Gettysburg Museum of History came up with. So with this set, the Gettysburg Museum of History will send you 7 varieties of Civil War bullets. And again, these are real, authentic artifacts from the Civil War. And along with this, the teacher also gets this beginner's guide to Civil War bullets. So inside here, it talks a little bit about the history, and then it talks about the different varieties of bullets and which ones the Union would use, which one the Confederates would use. And really, just like anything, if you think back to your own education experience, what were the lessons that were the most meaningful to you? What are the ones that you remember? Well, artifacts are one of many things that connect us to history in a very tangible way. And that's really what we are trying to do here, is to get students excited about history. And that's where you come in. We are looking to get these teaching sets into the hands of as many educators as we possibly can. And we are looking for individuals who would be willing to purchase one of these sets for a local educator or a local school to give them the tools necessary to get their students excited about history. If this idea of getting actual Civil War artifacts into the hands of teachers and students excites you like it does us, well, here's what you need to do next. Go to the link in the description of this video right here that will take you to the store of the Gettysburg Museum of History. Specifically, it's going to take you to this teacher set of Civil War artifacts. Once you're there, you'll go through the normal checkout procedure. At the end of the checkout procedure where you're entering your billing information, there's going to be a box at the bottom that says additional information. This is very important that you get this right so we get the right thing to the right person. In that box, first put down the words teacher gift. And then after that, you need to put the name and address of the school that we need to send this teacher set to. So anyway, right there you go. You can again, be part of the solution, get these artifacts into the hands of teachers. I know that teachers are going to be excited to have this. The students will be excited to have something tangible in the classroom. And we can all be working together to be pushing history education forward. Thanks.